Good morning student. Once again welcome back in maths class. Today we will learn division of fractions. So for division of fractions, firstly we understand reciprocal word. So what is reciprocal? Because it's play main role in division. So first of all, what is reciprocal? The reciprocal of a fraction is obtained by interchanging the numerator and the denominator. When we interchange numerator and denominator, so that is called reciprocal. Okay? It is also called the multiplicative inverse. इसे हम multiplicative inverse भी बोलते हैं. Okay? Reciprocal is also called multiplicative inverse. How we find reciprocal? Suppose you are having 6 upon 10. So its reciprocal is 10 upon 6. Interchange numerator and denominator. Okay? How we find reciprocal? By interchanging numerator and denominator. That is 6 upon 10. So 10 is denominator. So here it will become numerator and numerator will be denominator. So this is called reciprocal. Okay? Why we require it? We require it in division. Because if you have 6 upon 10 divided by 3 upon 5. So there is no method to divide it. This is your dividend and this is divisor. Okay. In simple, what you do if you have simple 15 divided by 3. So what you do? 15 is dividend and 3 is divisor. So you do like this. 15 divided by 3. But in fraction, how you will do? If you have 6 upon 10 divided by 3 upon 5. So you can't write like this. 6 upon 10 divided by 3 upon 5. How you will do? There is no method of doing like this. Okay. So in fraction we don't do like this. There is another way. How can we do? Here we change this division symbol into multiplication. Okay. So how we will change division symbol into multiplication? Because डायरेक्टली वी कांट चेंज. कोई भी चीज़ है हम अपनी मर्जी से जब डिवीजन दे रखा है क्वेश्चन में, तो ये थोड़ी है कि हम अपनी मर्जी से उसको मल्टीप्लाई बना दें. नो. If we are changing it in multiplication, so we should take reciprocal of the second fraction. Okay? First fraction will remain same. Multiply we change into, divide we will change into multiply. And then after that, which fraction we have, we should make it a reciprocal. We have 6 upon 10. Now divide will change into multiply. Then 3 upon 5. Now we make its reciprocal, so it's become 5 upon 3. Now the sum becomes of multiplication. Okay? As you done in 4.3. So how we will do multiplication? If there is cancelling, means firstly we simplify and then we will multiply. So as we know, in 5 table we have 10. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. In 3 table we have 6, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Okay. Now in 2 table we have both 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. Because we can cancel any numerator by any denominator. Now from here we have 1 upon 1. And from there also 1 upon 1. Multiply by 1 upon 1. Now we multiply, 1 ones are 1 and 1 ones are 1. That's equals to 1. Your answer is 1. So like this we will do. Okay. So firstly you understand what is reciprocal. Interchanging numerator and denominator. Where we require it? For division. We change division symbol into multiplication and then we make it a reciprocal. After division symbol, which fraction we have, that's reciprocal we will do. Okay. Suppose you are having 15. So what will be the reciprocal of 15? Because there is no denominator, so we can make the denominator 1. So its reciprocal will be 1 upon 50. Okay. This is multiplicative inverse. If you are having 1 upon 5. So what will be the reciprocal of 1 upon 5? It will be 5 upon 1. Okay. When you have proper fraction, so its reciprocal will be improper. Okay. And unit fraction is there, so its reciprocal is whole number. 5 upon 1 means that is 5. Okay. suppose you are having 2 upon 5. This is proper fraction. When we make its reciprocal, so it's become 5 upon 2, improper fraction. जो proper fraction होता है उसका reciprocal क्या हो जाएगा? Improper. और improper का reciprocal proper. Whole का reciprocal unit fraction. Okay? And unit fraction का reciprocal whole number. Okay? So like this you can do the reciprocal, and reciprocal will use in the division. Okay? So now we will start our exercise. Now exercise 4.4. Find the reciprocals of the following numbers and fractions. Here you have to find reciprocal of numbers and fractions. So let me start solution. Here you should make like this column. In one side you should write numbers and fractions. And there is a reciprocal. Okay. So first is there 12. 12, there is no denominator in 12. So we can write like this 12 upon 1. And now it's reciprocal. So as I told you, in reciprocal, numerator becomes denominator and denominator becomes numerator. Interchange. So it's become 1 upon 12. That's your answer. Okay. Now 4 upon 3. So 4 upon 3, we change it. So it's become 3 upon 4. Next, third, 2 whole 3 upon 5. There is mixed fraction. So how we will change it? Firstly, we change it into improper. Whenever you have mixed, so as I told you, first is change it into improper. सबसे पहले आप improper में change करेंगे, उसके बाद इसका reciprocal. So 5 2 jar 10, 10 plus 3 13 upon 5. Now we write it's a reciprocal. So it's become 5 upon 13. Next, question 4, 8 upon 9. So it's become 9 upon 8. Question 5, 1. There is no denominator in 1, so 1 upon 1. So it's reciprocal again, 1 upon 1, because numerator and denominators are same, and that's equals to 1. That means reciprocal of 1 is 1. Okay? Because denominator is also 1 and that's equals to 1. So same reciprocal is of which? Of 1. Now question number 6. 1 upon 6. So it's reciprocal 6 upon 1. Next 3 upon 5. Question 7. 3 upon 5. So it's 5 upon 3. Question 8. 9 is there. So we can write like this 9 upon 1. So it's reciprocal 1 upon 9. Then question 9. 5 upon 1. So it's reciprocal 1 upon 5. Now next question 10. 5 whole 1 upon 2. So change it into improper. Mixed is there. So 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 1. 11 upon 2. So its reciprocal is 2 upon 11. So like this you have to find reciprocal, and your exercise 4.4 is complete. Now we will do exercise 4.5. Now exercise 4.5. Question 1. Divide each of the following. Here you have to divide each of the following. So first A part is given there. 6 divided by 1 upon 3. Okay. So there is no denominator. So as it is we can leave, and if you want to take, we can take 1 as denominator. As always we can do. So as I told you that how we divide, there is no method of division. In fraction, directly like this, there is no method of like this, 6 divided by 1 upon 3, no. How we will do? We change divide into multiply. Okay? Divide को हम multiply, in fraction का जो divide होता है, that's different from whole number division. Okay? Whole number पे तो हम direct divide करते हैं. This is different. We change this into multiply. So how we will change this in multiply? 6 will remain same 6. Now divide will change into multiply. So directly we can't change. So what will we do? After that, which fraction we have, we make its reciprocal. So here we have 1 upon 3. So it's become 3 upon 1. Okay. Now how we do that? Here we can take denominator 1. Okay. Because there is no denominator, so we can take 1. Now what's the process? Now we have multiplication. So multiplication, how we do? Numerator multiply by numerator and denominator multiply by denominator. So 6 multiply by 3. 6 3s are 18. and 1 ones are 1. 18 upon 1. That's equals to 18. That is your answer. Okay. So like this you will do. Now it's B. Now B part 35 divided by 5 upon 2. So first of all, what will we do? 35 upon 1. Okay. Now divide will change into multiply. Now there is 5 upon 2. So we change its numerator into denominator and denominator into numerator. Means we make its reciprocal. 2 upon 5. Now we know that in 5 table we have 35. So we should cancel. Okay. We will divide it by 5. 5 ones are 5 and 5 sevens are 35. Okay. Now from here we have 7 upon 1 multiply by 2 upon 1. Now numerator multiply by numerator and denominator multiply by denominator. So 7 2s are 14 upon 1 and that's equals to 14 because denominator is 1. So we can write only numerator. So 14 is our answer. Okay. So like this you will do its B part. Now we come on C part. Here is 16 divided by 1 upon 2. So same process we follow here. 16 upon 1. Divide will change into multiply. 2 upon 1. This is the method of division. Okay. Only fraction में यही method है आपके पास. Simple divide का नहीं है. We do like this. Divide will change into multiply and then reciprocal of second fraction divisor. Okay. That is the method of division of fraction. Now numerator multiply by numerator. 16 2s are 32 and in denominator 1 ones are 1. 32 upon 1 that's equals to 32. That's your answer. Okay. Now it's D part. 31 divided by 1 upon 4. So 31 upon 1. Now again divide will change into multiply. Now 4 upon 1. It's reciprocal, so it will be 1 upon 4 is there, so 4 upon 1. Okay. Now numerator multiply by numerator and denominator, because we have in denominator 1 1. So what we cancel? Nothing is there for cancelling because 1 1 is there. So now numerator multiply by numerator. 4 ones are 4, 4 3s are 12. 124 upon 1. That's equals to 124. That's your answer. So it's very simple, like the multiplication is there, only you change divide into multiply and reciprocal of second fraction. That you will remember. इसको आपको भूलना नहीं है. आप लोग अगर यहाँ पे भूल गए आपने सेम राइट कर दिया तो that is wrong. Okay. Next it's E part. 12 divided by 1 upon 2. So 12 upon 1 divide will change into multiply. 1 upon 2 it's become 2 upon 1. Now numerator multiply by numerator. 12 2s are 24 and 1 ones are 1. 24 upon 1 that's equals to 24. That's your answer. Now next 3 upon 6 divided by 18. So now 3 upon 6 will remain same. Divide will change into multiply. Now 18 is there. So 18 means 18 upon 1. So it's reciprocal 1 upon 18. Okay. Now we will see that in 3 table we have 6 also, 18 also. So by anyone we can cancel. चाहे आप 18 को cancel कर लो चाहे 6 को. In 3 table we have 6 and 3 both. So we cancel numerator by denominator. 3 ones are 3, 3 2s are 6. और अगर इसको नहीं करते हो आप 18 को भी कर सकते हो. As your wish, you can cancel anywhere. Now 1 upon 2 multiply by 1 upon 18. Now numerator multiply by numerator. 1 ones are 1 and 18 2s are 36. Now it's 1 upon 36. अब इसको 36 राइट मत कर देना. That will be wrong. It will be 1 upon 36 because numerator is 1. If denominator is 1, then we can write only numerator. Okay, so that's your answer. Now it's G and H part you will do yourself. Okay. After that we will do question number 2. Now question number 2. Divide each of the following fractions. So here also you have to divide. The same like question number 1. All question of division you have to follow the same method. Okay, the fraction division method is the same. Divide will change into multiply and reciprocal of divisor. Okay, that's the method of fraction division. Only that is the method. Okay, so now A part, 2 upon 8 divided by 3 upon 6. So first of all 2 upon 8 as it is. Now divide will change into multiply and reciprocal of second fraction. So 3 upon 6, it's become 6 upon 3. Now we will see that in 3 table we have 6. So we can cancel them. 3 ones are 3 and 3 twos are 6. Now in 2 table we have 8. So 2 ones are 2 and 2 fours are 8. Again 4 and 2 are coming in 2 table. So again we can cancel. 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. Okay. Any numerator, any denominator we can take firstly. Okay. कोई भी न्यूमरेटर, बस न्यूमरेटर से डिनोमिनेटर होना चाहिए. 1 terms of numerator and 1 terms of denominator. वो आपस में चाहिए. ये न्यूमरेटर इससे कैंसिल हो सकता है. This numerator cancel by this denominator. And same numerator and same denominator also can cancel. Okay. तो आपको देखना है किसकी टेबल में आ रहे हैं. सेम टेबल में जहाँ पे भी आते हैं, by that you have to cancel. Now from here we have 1 upon 2. So 1 upon 2 and from there 1 upon 1. Now numerator multiply by numerator, 1 ones are 1 and 2 ones are 2. So 1 upon 2. This is the proper fraction. So this is your answer. Okay, so like this you will do. Now it's a B part. 4 upon 6 divided by 3 upon 9. So first of all 4 upon 6 as it is. Now divide will change into multiply. Now 3 upon 9. So it's reciprocal 9 upon 3. Now we can see in 3 table we have 9. So 3 ones are 3 and 3 threes are 9. Now we can see that in 3 table we have 6 also. So again we can divide by 3. So 3 ones are 3 and 3 twos are 6. Now from here we can see that 4 and 2 both are coming in 2 table. That means we can divide by 2. So 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. Cancel means we have to divide by the same number. Numerator and denominator divide by the same number. So these both are coming in 2 tables. So we divide by 2 and we write the quotient here. Okay. Now from here what is left? 2 upon 1. Multiply by, from here 1 upon 1. Now numerator multiply by numerator and denominator multiply by denominator. So 2 ones are 2 and 1 ones are 1. That's 2 upon 1. Now what will we do? There is denominator 1, so we can write only numerator. So that's equals to 2 and 2 is your answer. Okay. So like this you have to do. It's B part. Now it's a C part. 7 upon 8 divided by 2 upon 4. So 7 upon 8 as it is. Now divide will change into multiply. Now 2 upon 4. So we make its reciprocal. So it's become 4 upon 2. Now we can see that in 4 table we have 8. So we can cancel like this also. 4 and 4 ones are 4 and 4 twos are 8. And another way we can see that 4 and 2 both are coming in 2 table. So by 2 also firstly we cancel by 2 and then again we cancel by 2 with 4. But both way you will get the same answer. So as your wish you can cancel. Okay. So हम directly cancel कर लेंगे. 4 ones are 4 and 4 twos are 8. Okay. Because if you will cancel by 2, so that will take 2 steps. Firstly we cancel by 2. Then again we cancel by 2, so there will be more space will be consumed and in 2 time you will do that. Okay. So directly we can do in 4 table both are coming, so we cancel by 4. Now from here we have 7 upon 2 and multiply by from there 1 upon 2. Now we should multiply numerator by numerator. So 7 ones are 7 and 2 twos are 4. Okay, now it is improper fraction. So we change it into mixed. So 7 divided by 4. So how we will do? 1 whole 3 upon 4. That's your answer. Okay. So like this you will do. Now next, it's D part. 2 upon 6 divided by 5 upon 8. So first of all 2 upon 6 as it is. Now divide will change into multiply. 5 upon 8. So it's become 8 upon 5. Now we will see by which. By 2 we can cancel 6. Because in 2 table we have 6. And in 2 table we have 8 also and 6 also. By these one also we can, as our wish we can cancel. Okay. So from here we cancel. In 2 table we have 6. So 2 ones are 2 and 2 threes are 6. Okay. Now in 3 table we don't have 8. That means our cancelling is finished. But we will not cancel numerator by numerator. कहीं आप ये करो कि 2 ones are 2 and 2 fours are 8. Numerator से numerator. No. Numerator by denominator. Okay. Now from here we have 1 upon 3. Multiply by 8 upon 5. Now numerator multiply by numerator and denominator multiply by denominator. So 8 ones are 8 and 5 threes are 15. Now what is this? This is proper fraction. So this is your answer. When numerator big like this, numerator big and denominator small, then we change into mixed. But here is 8 upon 15. Here numerator small and denominator big. So it will be the answer. Okay, because this is proper fraction. And they are not cancelling with each other. 8 or 15 same table में कहीं पे भी नहीं आ रहे. Okay, now it's the E part. 6 upon 10 divided by 3 upon 5. So 6 upon 10 will remain same. Now divide will change into multiply. Now 3 upon 5. So it's become 5 upon 3. Okay, now we cancel it. In 5 table where we have 10 on 2 number, 5 ones are 5 and 5 twos are 10. Now 3 ones are 3 and 3 twos are 6. Now in 2 table both are coming. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. So from here what we have 1 upon 1 and from here also 1 upon 1. Now numerator multiply by numerator. 1 ones are 1 and 1 ones are 1. That's equals to 1. So your answer is 1. Okay, how we cancel? 5 by 10. 5 twos are 10. 3 by 6. 3 twos are 6. Then 2, 2 both are coming in 2 table. Okay. So like this we will do. Now it's a F part. 11 upon 12. Divide will change into multiply. Now 3 upon 6. So it's become 6 upon 3. Now we will see that in 6 table we have 12. So directly we can speak the table. हम largest number देखेंगे जिसकी table में आता हो. अब 6 की table में 12 आ रहा है तो directly हम 6 और 12 को आपस में cancel करेंगे. 6 ones are 6 and 6 twos are 12. Okay. 3 से भी आपका cancel हो रहा है. ऐसे करोगे 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. फिर से आपको cancel करना पड़ेगा. 2 की table में 12 आएगा तो फिर से आप cancel करोगे. So that's better. In big number, in 6 table you are having 12, so directly हम 6 से ही cancel करेंगे. हम क्यों small way में जाएं? Okay? So from here we have 11 upon 2 and from there 1 upon 3. 11 ones are 11 and 3 twos are 6. Now it is improper fraction, so we will change it into mixed. So it's become 1 whole 5 upon 6. Because 11 divided by 6, so 5 will be remainder. So 1 whole 5 upon 6, that's your answer. So you will try to cancel with the big number. So that will be cancelled in one step. और जितना आप small number से cancel करोगे उतने ही steps आपके ज़्यादा increase होंगे. Question की length बढ़ जाएगी आपके पास. इसकी height होगी 2 से करते जाओगे तो और ऊपर जाता जाएगा. So that's better कि जितना बड़े number से आप cancel कर दो, that will be the better. Okay. Now after that question number 3. Question number 3. Find the quotients. Quotients means the answer of division. Okay. And simplify if needed. Simplify if needed means if it is cancelling then we cancel, and if it is in improper fraction so we change it into mixed. That is the simplify. Okay. So the same way whenever division is there, so process is same in all. So here is given mixed fraction, so firstly we change it into improper. So here A part 3 divided by 2 whole 1 upon 4. So first of all 3 there is no denominator, so we can take here 1. Now divided by, now we change it into improper fraction. So 4 2 jar 8 plus 1 9 upon 4. Now it's become like the question number second. Now 3 upon 1 divide will change into multiply. Now 9 upon 4. So it's become 4 upon 9. Now we should cancel numerator by denominator if it is cancelled. So we can say that 3 and 9 both are coming in 3 tables. So we divide by 3. 3 ones are 3 and 3 3s are 9. The number that we will think where they are dividing. Okay? ये हमें सोचना है कि किस नंबर पे वो डिवाइड हो रहे हैं. So we will see that by 3 they both are divisible. So we divide by 3. So 1 upon 1 multiply by 4 upon 3. So 4 ones are 4. 4 ones are 4 and 3 ones are 3. 4 upon 3 it is improper fraction. So 1 whole 1 upon 3. When we change it into mixed, so that's your answer. Okay. So 3, 4 we will select the number in mind. We will think that where they are coming, in which table they are coming. Okay. Now next it's B part. 2 whole 2 upon 3. So 3 2 jar 6. 6 plus 2 8. 8 upon 3 divided by 6 upon 1. Now it's like question second. Now we will change it into multiplication. So 8 upon 3 divide will change into multiply. Now it's 1 upon 6. Now we will see that 6 and 8 both are coming in 2 table. तो ये नंबर हमें ऐसे सोचना है कि both जैसे न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर किसकी टेबल में आ रहे हैं, ऐसा नंबर हमने सेलेक्ट करना है. So we can see that 8 and 6 both are coming in 2 table. So we can cancel by 2. 2 3s are 6 and 2 4 are 8. Now they are not coming in same table. अब आपको लग रहा है कि 3 और 3 यहाँ पे हैं, but denominator by denominator never cancel. Numerator by numerator also never cancel. So now there is in 4 table we don't have 3, so that is cancel finish. Now from here 4 upon 3 multiply by 1 upon 3. 4 ones are 4 and 3 3s are 9. 4 upon 9, that's your answer because this is proper fraction. So that is the final answer. Now it's a C part. 10, there is no denominator, so 1. Now divided by 8 2s are 16 plus 4 20 upon 8. Now divide will change into multiply. So 10 upon 1 divide will change into multiply and reciprocal of second fraction. So it's 20 upon 8. It's become 8 upon 20. Now we can see that in 10 table we have 20. हमने largest number देखना है. So in 10 table we have 20. 10 2s are 20. So we will divide by 10. 10 ones are 10 and 10 2s are 20. Now we can see that in 2 table we have 8 also. Okay. So 2 ones are 2 and 2 4s are 8. Okay. So now we cancel all. Now from here 1 upon 1 and multiply 4 upon 1. Now 4 ones are 4 upon 1. So that's equals to 4. So 4 is your answer. So like this you will solve. Okay. Now it's a D part. D part is 1 whole 7 upon 9. So 9 ones are 9. 9 plus 7 16 upon 9 divided by 4 upon 1. Now we change divide into multiply. So 16 upon 9 multiply by 1 upon 4. Now in 4 table we have 16. So we can cancel them. 4 ones are 4. 4 4s are 16. Now there is 4. 4 come in 2 table and 9 come in 3 table. So we can't cancel because these are not coming in same table. So from here 4 upon 9 and from there 1 upon 1. 4 ones are 4 and 9 ones are 9. So 4 upon 9 is your answer. Okay. Next it's E part. 8 divided by, so 8 is 8 upon 1 divided by 5 2 are 10, 10 plus 4, 14 upon 5. Now we divide, change into multiply. So 8 upon 1 multiply by 5 upon 40. Now we can see that 14 and 8 both are coming in 2 table. Okay. After that there is no big number in 4 table. 8 come but 14 not come. So we will divide by only 2. 2 sevens are 14 and 2 fours are 8. Okay. Now no one will cancel. So from here we have 4 upon 1 multiply by 5 upon 7. 4 fives are 20 and 7 ones are 7. It is improper fraction, so we change it into mixed. So 7 2 are 14, 6 will remainder and upon 7. 2 whole 6 upon 7. That's your answer. Okay, so like this you will do. Now next is F part, 5 whole 1 upon 3. So 3 5s are 15 plus 1, 16 upon 3 divided by 4 upon 1. Now divide will change into multiply. 16 upon 3 multiply by 1 upon 4. Now we can see that 16 and 4 both are coming in 4 table. 4 fours are 16, so we can divide by 4. 4 divided by 4, 4 ones are 4. 16 divided by 4, 4 fours are 16. Now no one will cancel because in 3 table we don't have 4. So it's come 4 upon 3 multiply by 1 upon 1. Now 4 ones are 4 and 3 ones are 3. So it's equals to 1 whole 1 upon 3. 4 divided by 3, so you get 1 whole 1 upon 3. That's your answer. Like this you will solve. All the questions are same. Division method is same. Okay. Now it's G and H part you will do yourself. First, second, third. G and H part, all questions you will do yourself. Okay. First also I have done till F. Second also till F. And third also till F I have done. 2 part you will do yourself. Now question number 4. Now question number 4. Divide each of the following mixed fractions. Here is mixed fractions are given to you. You have to divide them. So same method is there like question number 3. So here A part, 1 whole 1 upon 8 divided by 1 whole 3 upon 7. So we divide it. Firstly we change it into improper fraction. 8 ones are 8 plus 1 9. So 9 upon 8 divided by 7 ones are 7 plus 3 10 upon 7. Now we change divide into multiply. So 9 upon 8 multiply by 7 upon 10. Now we can see that no numerator is coming in any table. कोई भी numerator किसी भी denominator की table, because denominators are the even numbers and numerators are the odd number. So they will not come in each other table. किसी भी कोई भी किसी की table में नहीं आएगा आपस में. So we should multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. So 9 sevens are 63 and 10 eights are 80. Okay. Now this is proper fraction. So that is your answer. Okay. Now it's a B part. 4 whole 4 upon 5 divided by 2 whole 1 upon 6. So 4 5s are 5 fours are 20. 20 plus 4 24 upon 5 divided by 6 2 are 12. 12 plus 1 13 upon 6. Now we change it, divide into multiply. So 24 upon 5 multiply by 6 upon 13. So now 13 is a prime number and in 13 table we don't have any numerator. Okay. Now 5 is also prime number and in 5 table also we don't have any numerator. That means numerator multiply by numerator and denominator multiply by denominator, because these are not cancelling. Now 24 multiply by 6. So 6 fours are 24, 2 goes carry, 6 2 are 12, 12 plus 2 14. 144 upon 13 5s are 65. Now this is improper fraction, so we change it into mixed. Downside I will write. Okay, you can write in front of this. Now 144 divided by 65. So 65 to jar 130. Okay. So 2 whole 14 upon 65. That's your answer. Because this is improper fraction, so we change it into mixed. Now next is question C part. 5 whole 3 upon 7. So 7 5s are 35 plus 3 38 upon 7 divided by 3 1s are 3 plus 1 4 upon 3. Now divide will change into multiply. So 38 upon 7 multiply by 3 upon 4. Now we can see that 4 and 38 both will come in two table. Okay, so we can cancel by 2 because this is also even number and 4 is also even number, and all even number come in two table. So 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2 and 2 9s are 18. 19 2s are 38. Now in 3 table we don't have 7 and we don't have 2. So now one will cancel. Only we write directly now 19 upon 7 multiply by 3 upon 2. Now numerator multiply by numerator. 19 3s are 57. 19 3s are 57 and 7 2s are 40. It is improper fraction, so we change it into mixed. So 14 3s are 42. Okay, and so we will do, and 14 4s are 56. So 57 divided by 14. So 14 4s are 56. On 4 we have 56. So 4 whole 1 upon 40. Okay, like this you will do 57 divided by 14. 14 4s are 56. 1. Okay, 4 whole 1 upon 14. That's your answer. Okay. Now next is, it's a D part. Now 2 whole 5 upon 8 divided by 2 whole 1 upon 3. So 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 5 21 upon 8 divided by 2 whole 1 upon 3. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 7. 7 upon 3. Now divide change into multiply. So 21 upon 8 it will remain same. Multiply 3 upon 7. Now we can see that 21 and 7 both are come in 7 table. So we can cancel by 7. 7 1s are 7. 7 3s are 21. Now no one cancel. So from here we have 3 upon 8 multiply by 3 upon 1. Now numerator multiply by numerator. 3 3s are 9 upon 8. It is improper, so we change it into mixed. So 1 whole 1 upon 8. That's your answer. Okay. Like this you will do D part. Now it's a E part. E part is 6 whole 3 upon 5. 5 6 are 30. 30 plus 3 33 upon 5 divided by 7 1s are 7. 7 plus 4 11 upon 7. Now we change divide into multiply. So 33 upon 5 multiply by 7 upon 11. Okay. Now we will see that in 11 table we have 33. So 11 1s are 11. 11 3s are 33. Now in 5 table we don't have 3 and 7. No one. So we will write 3 upon 5. From here 3 upon 5 multiply by 7 upon 1. Now 3 7s are 21 upon 5. It is improper fraction, so we change it into mixed. 5 4s are 20. 4 whole 1 upon 5. That's your answer. Because 4 complete, 4 whole 1 upon 5 is your answer. So in all question you have same process. Whenever you have mixed fraction, so you change it into improper and then you will divide. Okay, and divide method, how to change? Firstly divide change into multiply, and then we do reciprocal of second fraction. The same method in all question, nothing else. Okay, so you complete your exercise. Thank you.